Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday English. I'm Rachel, your teacher, and with me as always is Adam. How are you doing today, Adam?
I'm great, Rachel. Really excited about today's episode.
Awesome. Today we've got 20 common phrases that native speakers use all the time. These are super useful for everyday conversations, so listen carefully and try to remember them. Ready?
Let's do it.
All right, number 1. Running late. This means you won't arrive on time. For example, sorry, I'm running late. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Or, she's always running late to meetings.
Oh, I know this one. Like, I was running late this morning, so I skipped breakfast.
Perfect. Next, catch up. It means to reach the same level or to talk with someone after a long time. I need to catch up on my homework. And, let's meet for coffee and catch up.
That's nice. I'd say, I haven't seen my old classmate in years. We should catch up.
Exactly. Number 3. Hang on. This simply means wait a moment. Hang on, I'll check my calendar. Or, hang on, did you just say you're moving to London?
Hang on, let me grab my jacket before we leave.
Great! Now, no worries. This is a very relaxed way to say it's okay or no problem. Thanks for helping me. No worries. And, I forgot your book at home. No worries, bring it tomorrow.
I love this one. If someone says sorry to me, I can just say, no worries, it happens.
Exactly. Number 5. For sure. It means definitely or absolutely. Are you coming tonight? For sure. Or, that was for sure the best movie I've seen this year.
Will I keep practicing English every day? For sure.
Love the enthusiasm. Okay. What's up? This is a casual greeting like how are you or what's happening. Hey, what's up? I haven't seen you all week. And, what's up? You look a bit upset.
I'd say, what's up, guys? Anything fun planned for the weekend?
Nice and natural. Next. Fair enough. You say this when you accept someone's reason or point of view. I don't want to go out tonight. I'm tired. Fair enough. Or, the price is a bit high, but fair enough. The quality is excellent.
You don't like horror movies? Fair enough. Let's watch a comedy instead.
Good one. Number 8. My bad. This is an informal way to say my mistake or I'm sorry. You sent the email to the wrong person. Oh, my bad. Or, my bad, I completely forgot about our meeting.
I accidentally took your pen. My bad.
No worries, Adam. Okay, totally. This means completely, or I fully agree. Do you understand the lesson? Totally. And, I totally forgot her birthday.
That exam was totally harder than I expected.
Now, 2 similar ones together, kind of, and sort of, both mean a little or somewhat. They soften what you say. I'm kind of tired. Or, the movie was sort of boring. And, I kind of agree with you, but not completely.
I sort of understand, but can you explain it one more time?
Of course. Number 12. By the way, you use this to add something new to a conversation. By the way, I saw your sister at the supermarket. Or, great presentation. By the way, the deadline has been moved to Friday.
By the way, have you tried that new restaurant near the office?
Now, heads up. This means a warning or advance notice about something. Just a heads up. The boss is in a bad mood today. Or, thanks for the heads up about the traffic.
Heads up, everyone. The meeting has been moved to 3 p.m.
Very useful at work. Number 14. Bring up. It means to start talking about a topic. She brought up an interesting idea during lunch. Or, I didn't want to bring up the problem in front of everyone.
He always brings up politics at dinner, and it makes things awkward.
Ha. True. Next. Figure out. This means to solve or understand something. I can't figure out how to use this app. Or, we need to figure out a plan before the weekend.
It took me an hour, but I finally figured out the answer.
Good job. Now number 16. Give up. it means to stop trying. Don't give up. You're almost there. And I gave up trying to fix my old laptop and bought a new one.
Learning English isn't easy, but I'll never give up.
That's the spirit. Okay, look forward to. This means you're excited about something in the future. Remember, we use a noun or an ang form after it. I'm looking forward to the holiday, or we look forward to hearing from you.
I'm really looking forward to visiting London next summer.
Number 18, makeup. This has a few meanings, but the most common ones are to invent a story or to become friends again after an argument. He made up an excuse for being late. And they had a big fight, but they made up the next day.
She made up a funny story to cheer me up.
Now, run out of. This means you have no more of something. We've run out of milk. Can you buy some? Or, I'm running out of time to finish this project.
I ran out of battery during the meeting, so I missed the last part.
And finally, number 20, turn out. This means the result or outcome of something, often a surprise. The weather turned out to be really nice. Or, I was nervous about the exam, but it turned out to be easy.
I didn't want to go to the party, but it turned out to be a lot of fun.
And that's all 20 phrases. Let's do a quick recap. We covered running late, catch up, hang on, no worries, for sure, what's up, fair enough, my bad, totally, kind of, sort of, by the way, heads up, bring up, figure out, give up, look forward to, make up, run out of, and turn out.
That was really helpful. I'm looking forward to using these in real conversations.
See? You're already using one. Great job, everyone. Practice these phrases every day and you'll sound much more natural. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch up with you next week.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!